Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we will present you the part 1 of series number 2 on modern kitchens. This is a fantastic kitchen made mainly of concrete as well as perforated metal. Our new series is inspired by the architectural film Forma Fatale and specifically the studio house project in Costa Rica. In part 1, we will start as we did the previous time with the island of our project. It is a 100% concrete kitchen island which is quite dynamic and at the same time minimal and functional, while also allowing us to use it as a sitting area with its many open spaces. Essentially, our island will function as a sculpture. Before we start creating part 1, please subscribe and like our channel so that it can grow. Our goal is to reach 100 subscribers before the end of the year. New super educational material is uploaded to our channel every week. Here we see the final form that our kitchen island will take. A fantastic and super modern kitchen island that we will design together step by step from the beginning. The first step is to open a new family where we will import the PDF file exported from AutoCAD, which will essentially serve as a basis for creating our reference planes, which we will use to create our kitchen island. With the DI command, we define the correct distances for the kitchen island. As we can see, the height of the kitchen island will be 90 centimeters and its length will be 3 meters in total, while its width will be 60 centimeters. On this island, we will only use the induction hob as a kitchen fixture, as the sink will be located on the counter next to the fixed wall kitchen unit. Our island is made of exposed concrete, which consists of 8 centimeter wood panels, which we choose to keep exposed. The thickness of the countertop will also be 10 centimeters thick concrete, as less than 10 centimeters is likely to cause the concrete to crack and break. The shape of the island also allows us to create a space to accommodate our wine cooler, while the opening in the middle of the island serves as an excellent connection to the outdoor areas, allowing light to enter and pass through it harmoniously. Once we have completed the definition of the reference planes, we begin designing the volumes that will shape our modern kitchen. The first thing we have to do is to start with the two round concrete columns with a radius of 15 centimeters. They are 30 centimeters apart on the axis, which is also their diameter. The concrete columns also support the most brutal and powerful part of our kitchen island. Next, as we are already said, we will create the core of the kitchen island that is supported by the two round columns. Its height will be from 30 centimeters to 80 centimeters, just under our countertop. Our next step is to better define the use of the kitchen island, as its function also as load-bearing element for the whole construction. We will also specify the position of our wine cooler that is located between the two concrete columns that we just create. Finally, we design the concrete beam with a 50 centimeter hanging. After finishing with that, let's take a look at what we have designed so far. The whole project is coming together quite harmoniously, and of course now we will add the top of our kitchen island, a 10 centimeter thick sleek concrete countertop. Our kitchen island looks truly amazing. The next step for us is to add the materials for our island. Please note that you can ask us in the comment below to send you both the RFA and the materials we will use. We will start with the exposed concrete that will be placed everywhere except the countertop and the two round columns. We will duplicate an existing material and define both the material and its dimension to adjust it to our requirements. Now it's time to put the material to our shapes. As we said, it will placed everywhere except our columns and our countertop. So after finishing with that, the following step is to create the material from the countertop and the round columns, which are smooth concrete. We will duplicate the previous material and define the material, the bump, and the glossiness to create a material that is as realistic as possible. Perfect. We finished with our image. Its dimension will be 3 meters. The next thing we have to change is our glossiness. Again, the same dimensions. And finally, for bump, we would use the concrete displacement. Perfect. Let's take a look of our kitchen island. Perfect, guys. After that, we will set up some voids that we will essentially serve to smoothly and harmoniously separate of these two materials. As you can see, the voids will have a depth and height of half centimeters. Of course, we will copy it also to the other parts of our kitchen island, horizontally and vertically. We see that the creation of voids better defines our materials, while also strengthening them without confusing the eye. The next stage in the design of our island is the placement of the two kitchen fixtures. We will start with the induction hob, which will be placed between the two round columns, while the concrete core will be used to place its mechanisms. Let's see how our project looks so far. As we can observe, it is truly impressive, modern, and functional. Next and final step is to install the wine cooler, which, as we said, will be placed between the two vertical concrete walls. The wine cooler we choose is 48 centimeters wide and 80 centimeters high. We can see how the choice of this wine cooler completes our island, making it completely functional, practical, and easy to use. That's it, guys. Our kitchen island has been completed and looks truly fantastic. I hope that by following our step-by-step methodology, you too have achieved this wonderful result. It is a definition of a modern and minimal kitchen. If you made it this far, please like and subscribe to our channel, as it helps us a lot to grow. Stay tuned, as part 2 will be follow soon. Thank you for watching and for your time. That's it for today, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.